What's up, guys? We're at CES 2019 and we're hanging out with ASUS, and of course the big thing that NVIDIA announced was the RTX 2060, and to start off, ASUS will have 3 models. Think Computer's CES 2019 coverage is brought to you by Kingston Technology's UV500 solid-state drive, 10 times faster than a 7200 RPM hard drive, available in multiple form factors, and capacities up to 1.92 terabytes. To start out, we have the Turbo RTX 2060, and this has the blower style fan. This is going to be at that MSRP, the NVIDIA MSRP of $349. You have the blower style fan and just kind of a nice, cover here that says ASUS and everything like that. You're not going to get a backplate or anything like that because it is the NVIDIA MSRP, but it's going to be all stock clocks and everything like that. This will be available at the release date on the 15th. Moving up, we have the Dual RTX 2060, and as the name implies, we have a dual fan cooler here. Pretty hefty cooler. If we move it to the side here, you can see just how thick it is, and with this one, you are going to get that backplate. Pretty cool design, ASUS logo down there. This one will also have the reference clocks, but it's going to be a little bit more expensive, probably $399. Then finally we come to the Strix model. Of course, we're going to have that triple fan cooling design. We'll have all of the RGB lighting that you expect from a Strix card, and this will be overclocked. We don't know what the boost clock will be, but it definitely will be an overclock card. So those are the RTX 2060s that ASUS will initially be launching. Now, if you have any questions about these cards, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below, and be sure to check out our CES 2019 playlist. See you guys in the next video.